In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Typeform's URL in about 5 minutes. This simple process will help make your form's URL more recognizable and aligned with your brand or purpose, making it easy for your audience to remember and access. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Typeform's official website. That's www.typeform.com if you're typing it directly into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner. There you'll find the login button waiting for you. Go ahead and give it a click. Now comes the part where you need to enter your credentials. You have a couple of options here. You can log in using your email address, or if you prefer, you can opt for a quicker option by using your Google or Microsoft account, provided you've previously linked these to your Typeform account. If you're going with the traditional email route, simply type in your email address and password. After you've entered your details, go ahead and click that login button. Now, if you haven't already created a form, this is the perfect moment to start a new one. However, if you do have a form ready and waiting, you should open that up now. With your form open, it's time to customize it. Navigate over to the Share tab within the Typeform editor. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Share tab, you'll notice an option allowing you to customize your form's URL. Click on Customize to start making those modifications. Now this is where you get to be creative. In the URL section, you'll see a field that allows you to change the unique part of the URL, the segment that follows https://yourform.typeform.com to You can enter a custom name here that aligns with the theme of your form or makes it easily identifiable. This helps in building coherence between your form content and its URL. Once you've decided on the perfect URL customization, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes take effect. And there you have it. Your form now has a unique customized URL. This straightforward process not only personalizes your form, but also enhances its visibility and accessibility. By following these steps, you ensure that your audiences have an easier time identifying and engaging with your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get one step closer to a more personalized and professional online presence.